Hello guys, welcome to Tech Lifehack. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download videos from popular sites like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook and many more. This tutorial doesn't require any third-party application to be installed, but for your convenience, I am going to show you how you can add an extension if you want to do so. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, go to youtube.com. Select any video. I'm going to choose this one. Head over to address bar, enter SS beside the YouTube, then click enter. It will go to Save from Net website, and as you can see, it will load up the video over here, and you can just click download, and the video will be downloaded. And the great thing about this site is you don't need to install any third-party apps or extension. You can just directly click download, and you can also download from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter as well. You just need to come to this site savefromnet.net and copy paste the link and click on the download, and that's it. It is very simple. But in this video I'm also going to show you how you can add an extension to this one so that you can directly install it from the YouTube or the Facebook just without coming to the SafeFromNet website. For that, you can add an extension called this one. Click here, click leave. This is our add-on. Click install helper. It will forward it to this page. Click on install. It will goes to Microsoft Edge extension. As you can see, I have already added this extension. Don't worry guys, this extension is also available for Brave browser and Chrome browser as well, so no need to worry. You can install this extension in any of the browser. So let me show you how it is going to look in the YouTube. If I go to YouTube, after installing that extension, you don't need to go to any browser, you don't need to go to any site. You will directly have this option called download option after installing that extension, which will be very handy. You just need to click on download and it will start download. So that's it for today guys. I hope you learned something great today. SafeFromNet is a wonderful tool. You can use this to download the videos from all these different sites, and as you can see, it's also support variety of resources. Please check out. I hope you learned something today. Have a good day. Bye bye.